Anti-inflammatory diet for beginners. Essential foods to include. Regular intake of heavily processed foods can put your body under continuous inflammatory stress. The processed foods are usually loaded with artificial flavors, added sugars, additives, trans fats, saturated fats, and other synthetic ingredients. Eating such foods regularly can trigger inflammatory response in the body. Many people do not know the hazards of processed foods. They taste yummy, so people simply eat them. Many of us are unable to cook food due to our hectic schedules and end up eating all sorts of packaged foods to appease our hunger. And then, slowly, we begin to feel stiffness or pain in body joints and tissues. We also feel a difference in the way our stomach behaves over time. This is the result of anti-inflammatory response in the body, according to doctors. Fruits and vegetables play an important role in preventing and treating inflammation in the body. It is essential to increase daily consumption of fruits and vegetables in diet to reap their maximum benefits. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants present in them provide an anti-inflammatory effect on the body. What is an anti-inflammatory diet? According to Jane Clark, a renowned nutritionist based in the UK, our daily meals must comprise whole grains, fresh fruits and vegetables, pulses, beans, lean meat, optional, and healthy fats. For Indians, ghee is a healthy fat if taken in moderation. Studies have proved that a diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables in combination with whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can make you live longer and healthy. 1. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh fruits and vegetables form a major component of an anti-inflammatory diet. Nature has given us a variety of colors, and each colored fruit or vegetable indicates the presence of a certain nutritive compound. Doctors call it the rainbow diet. Dark green color, leafy greens like kale, spinach, fenugreek, methi, and cabbage are rich in vitamin K, which decreases age-related inflammation, osteoarthritis, and cardiovascular problems. Purple color, beetroot, black currants, jamun, brinjal, and purple sprouting broccoli are loaded with antioxidants known as anthocyanins. Scientists believe that anthocyanins help in preventing and treating inflammatory conditions and cancer. Yellow color, lemons, yellow bell peppers, pineapple, muskmelon, mangoes, nectarines, bananas, and apricots are high in vitamin C, which is helpful in diabetes and high blood pressure. Oranges, carrots, sweet potatoes, and squashes are loaded with beta-carotene, which get converted into vitamin A. This is good for eyes and prevents age-related degeneration of eye muscles. Red color, red bell peppers, red potatoes, tomatoes, red cabbage, and apples contain B6 and other important vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes contain lycopene. All these help to prevent and treat chronic inflammation and cardiovascular problems.